Hey, hi, good day, team. We have discussed in our Telegram channel, and we thought we'll start our first video recording from today. So this will be our first video recording from Wolfstock team. Yeah. So basically, idea of our team is to take topics from the subscribers, and then based on that, prepare PPT or have a video call, and then record it and then post it on YouTube, our Wolfstock investment channels. Okay, let's try to follow this thing from now on. Okay, so yeah, yeah, basic slide which says we are from Wolfstock investment team. Okay, so more than everything, I mean, be it a big trader or small trader or whatever your risk or portfolio, right? I mean, the big and most and for first thing that should come in your mind is money management. Okay, so money management is nothing but managing your capital and risk. Okay, it is the must thing. Like I said, you need to follow very strict process in terms of money management, because this is a place where you are playing with your money, and then risk capital. You should try to save your capital by having risk. Okay, so before entering stock market, ask yourself many questions. Okay, why do you need to invest? Why do you want to invest, or what is the need for you? Okay, or what is your risk? What you want to do by investing in stock market? What is your capital? How much you can spend? How much you want to put into stock market? How much is short term? How much long term? And what is your risk? And what is your appetite that you can save yourself? I mean, what if it something goes wrong? Okay, so this is very much important. Yeah. So the plan or suggestion from my side, right? I mean, if you are new, right? I mean, try to decide your capital. Okay, always. For example, you have 1 lakh capital. Okay, always keep some money for learning. Okay, only learning is the consistent thing in the world. Okay, with learning only you can make money. Okay, so I have put 10 percentage of my capital into learning, so which is like 10,000. Okay, and then 50K you put into a long term perspective. When I say long term perspective, you are buying some shares for your future. Okay, be it for your child marriage or so for I mean your child education, or for the purpose of marriage, or your financial complication at the future, or medical emergencies. Okay, you should put your money 50% of your capital into long term on very quality stocks like Infosys, Reliance, where they'll not fall. I mean, the company will keep on growing, or it will grow at a phase. I mean, the returns from this would be minimum, but there is very limited risk. Okay, so I would suggest put 50% in long term. So now you have 10K on learning and 50K on long term. Now the 20K on short term and 20K on intraday. Okay, so idea is to enter the stock market to gain some money, right? I mean, 10K learning you invest, 50,000 you put into long term plan. Okay, so you need to wait for that, but you need to make quick money, right? So you need to do some short term tradings and then intraday trading if you are interested, right? Or you can club this both. Okay, have 40,000 for swing trading or short term trading. You don't do intraday if you're if you are a person who cannot take risk. Okay, put 40,000 into your short term or intraday. Okay, now, so it looks a good plan, right? I mean, 50K, 60K, and 40K. Okay, now, even though you are putting 50K into a long-term plan, right? 1 year minimum. I mean, it can be maximum of 20 or 30 years. Now, split that into quality stocks. Okay, put that into 10 different stocks. So, which is called portfolio diversification. So, when you put into 10 different kind of stocks, right? 5,000 each. For example, say Reliance price is like 1,500 now, or 1,700. Okay, try to take three quality stocks. I mean, three quantity of Reliance stock, which will cost you only 5,000. Okay, and then just hold on, and another 5,000 into ITC, where you can buy around 25 stocks. Okay, and then Tata Motors 50 stock. Now you are splitting that. Okay, and always split stocks based on the industry. Okay, do not put all your money into single industry. For example, telecom or bank, right? If something related to the banks, no, that comes as a surprise. I mean, bad news, right? All your stocks will fall, and then your portfolio will be entirely down. Okay, so it is always good to diversify your stocks. Okay, based on your portfolio, and it should be based on the industry also. Go for auto stocks, go for bank stocks. Even the bank, if you're buying two stocks, go for one private and one public sector bank. Okay, and then steel or coal mining or whatever. Okay, or auto industries. So try to find industry which will grow, So do not put all eggs into a single basket. When basket breaks, right, everything will be broken. So it is always wise to put eggs into different baskets. Okay, only with money you can make money, so do not lose money. Okay, so now if you follow this plan, right, I mean, suggestions are always welcome, but this looks 60% on the training and then long term, and then 40% on intraday, which will give you good return. Okay, so this is how we should plan. Okay, always have a trading plan. Okay, you should have a trading plan before you start. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay, these are the key points. Okay, remember, write it somewhere, or you can, I will even share this PPT, but always follow this. Okay, do not trade aggressively. Okay, so when I say do not trade aggressively, right, you might have lost 200 or 300 rupees or 2k or 3k or 1 lakh or 2 lakh. Okay, to trade aggressively trying to get the trade, which will not work out, you will lose more. Okay, so always plan or fix a trading plan for the day, or short term or long term. Okay, if you can take only 2 trades per day, do that. Okay, be it loss or profit. Okay, close your trade. Okay, do not do over trading. Okay, which will kill your profit. Someday you might have got 10,000, okay, at 1 o'clock, okay, intraday, and again you'll thinking to get 20k, you lose the 10,000 also. So it is, you should always be patient in your trades. Okay, and realistic. Okay, and when I say realistic, for example, you have capital of 50k, do not expect another 50k same day in intraday, right? I mean, you should be realistic. I mean, try to expect, I mean, 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees, right, based on your risk taking ability. Go for small profits. Okay, always remember, small ocean, I mean, small drops make a mighty ocean, right? Yeah. So, and know your entry and exit. For example, if you're entering 100 quantity of some particular stock intraday or short term or long term, right, have a target. Okay, for example, you are buying 100 quantity of share, which is like, consider Tata Motors, and which is at 100 rupee, right? You have a target for that. I want to get 10% of this, 10% from this trade. Yeah, so you should book your trade at 110, or you should have stop loss at 110. So even if your price is going up, still you have locked 10% of the profit, right? So it is always good to know your entry and exit. And next thing is, have stop loss. Okay, it is always must to have a stop loss. Okay, for example, you would have bought a share at 100 rupees intraday, right? If you do not keep stop loss, for example, some due to some bad news, right, if your stock goes to 75, okay, if your capital is 10,000, you are losing 25%. Okay, and you will be left with 7,500. And then if your capital is 1 lakh, remember, you are losing around 25,000. And then if your capital is 10 lakh, you are losing around 2.5 lakh. Okay, so it is must to remember that it is very easy to lose money in the market, and it is very tough to make money in the market. Okay, so always have stop loss. Okay, I would always suggest to have stop loss of 3%, not more than that. Okay, don't do revenge trading. Okay, for example, you lost in Tata Motors. Okay, don't think that I'll gain in Tata Motors again. And example, you lost 10 point in intraday Tata Motors. Okay, from 100 you bought, but it went to 90. Okay, again from 90 you think that 10 points it went down and it will come up 10 points. Okay, don't do that. Okay, go for another stock. Okay, when you try to go in the revenge mode, you will always lose money. I mean, the from it fell from 100 to 90, it can fall another 10% to 80 or 70, right? I mean, so always don't do any revenge trading. Okay, use leverage wisely. So if you are new to stock market, or the person is already trading, leverage is the amount that broker gives you. Okay, for example, when you have 10,000 rupees in your account, some stock brokers like Upstock or Zero, they give you like 10 times exposure or leverage. Okay, you can trade up to 1 lakh. Yeah, so that money, you can, but you do not have that balance, but they give you the leverage. Okay, because they are giving more leverage, don't to try take more trades. Okay, always go with small quantity. For example, they are giving leverage and you're taking 1,000 quantity, right? A 2 or 3 rupees loss will post you 2,000 or 3,000 rupees loss, right? I mean, when you don't use leverage much, or when you use it wisely, you'll go for 100 quantity. When even you lose 3 points intraday, it will be like 300 loss, which you can cover in your next trades. Okay, like I said, always have a trade plan. Okay, your trade plan should contain what is the criteria to enter the trade. Okay, and what is the target, and what is the stop loss, how much I will close my trade today. For example, some traders, they fix a target. I will book when it is 1,000 rupees today. I'll book when it is 2,000 rupees today. I'll book when it is 3,000 rupees per day. I will book when it is 500 rupees loss or 1,000 rupees loss. Okay, always go. It is like you're going to a ocean, going for a fishing. Okay, you're going with your capital, which is boat. Okay, you're returning with fish. Okay, every day you cannot return with fish. Someday due to bad weather you might come empty handed. Okay, so it is okay. Again, the ocean is always there. I mean, the market will be always there and forever, right? If you're not able to get profit, come out. Okay, it's fine. We have tomorrow and we'll go there and start our fishing and then come back. Okay, so don't be greedy. Okay, always have stop loss, always have target, always have trading plan. Okay, and most important thing, if you do not follow any of the above, right, get ready for the worst. When you do not have target, when you do not have a plan, when you do not have leverages, when you do not use leverages wisely, and you do revenge trading, right, you might lose 10,000. Okay, and your entire capital. Next time you will put another 10,000 to get the 10,000, you will lose that, and another 10,000 to get another 20,000 to get your 20,000, you lose that, and lack, and you lose that. So always have a plan, come back strongly even if you're in loss, right? I mean, I think you can recover, but recovery will be slow. I mean, losing money is very faster and very quicker, but recovering your money will take time. Okay, but do not lose hope. Always have risk. That's what, again and again, always know what is your risk, how much you can lose, and what is your stop loss, how much is your target. Remember four things: target, risk, capital, stop loss. So you will not lose much in the market. Okay, and yeah, who are we? Yeah, so you might see a couple of more trainings or quick PPTs like this coming up from our side. So we are Wolfstock Investment Team, aspiring company to be. So we have not yet registered with SEBI. We are on the process of doing it. So we have a Telegram channel. You can follow it, and we have a Facebook page as Wolfstock Investment, and our Telegram channel is wolfstock.com. And then you can always WhatsApp us. And this video, when I upload, I'll try to share more information with whatever information related to channel we have, and get ready and wait for more videos from us. Apologize if there was a noise or background things, or my PPT or presentation was not clear. This is our first presentation. Hopefully we will do better in our upcoming trades, and then upcoming presentation, and we'll try to keep you posted on our progress, and we'll work together on our next videos. Thank you, team.